Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you happy and well. So let's start today. We add Christmas cheer to your walls with tiny Santa frames. Use cardboard, glitters, and cotton to craft Santa inside a festive border. A handmade decorated piece that spared holiday joy instantly. Step-by-step styles. Take a small frame, add a red background, and place a handmade Santa Claus inside. Decorate with a snowfall, star, or tiny bell for a festive touch. Perfect for hanging, gifting, or placing on Christmas table. Tie center frame in minutes. Cut, paste, and decorate your home in Christmas ready with these cute little crafts. Turn a simple frame into a magical Christmas piece with Santa at our center, cotton snow around the edges, and a touch of glitter. This die bring the holiday spirit right into your home. Viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. Here's small Christmas frame with Santa Claus decoration ideas. Turn a simple basket into a Christmas centerpiece. Fill it with pink, ornament, and fairy lights. Add a red ribbon, and your table decorator is ready to shine. Make your gifts extra special with a handmade Christmas basket. Line the basket with fabric, add chocolates, ornament, or candles, and finish with a festive bow. A gift straight from the heart. Cheers, laugh. Thanks for watching my channel, and thanks.